might never find what you seek. So before you're old and weak, give it all you got today. These are some things you must bear in mind. May please everyone every time. What if tomorrow you wake and find love of your life just blew your mind? Don't you wait until it's too late. Don't let the horse go through the gate. Give it all you got today. Yeah, yeah. Oh, now there's a bright sun shining.